Well, here's some juncos at the feeder trying to, we call them snow shovelers. They scratch that snow off, but that's not quite sunrise yet. There's sun should be coming up right over there. Gonna wait until late this afternoon to throw snow out of here. Gotta get this snow out of here before it starts raining and get some ice. We'll have a big mess. These are my wife's, Linda's birds. She's got them all named. Right there, that's Georgie. Yeah. There's Henry. Percy's around here somewhere. They'll have that all cleaned off. Well, they'll be back.